students, I am Dr.Ashwin Dobariya. Welcomes you to Programming in C practical video series. In this C programs, we will discuss the calculation of power value according to the given base value and component value. Let's see the definition first. So in this program, we will input two values. One is the base and another is the exponent. And as per the value, we will calculate the power value. If we discuss with the example, then suppose the base value is 5 and exponent value is 3, it means 5 raised to 3. So as per mathematics, 5 raised to 3 means what? 3 times multiplication of base value. So 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 125. Suppose if the base is 2 and exponent is 5, it means 2 raised to 5. So 2 raised to 5 we will calculate according to. So let's first discuss and think about the logic of this program, how we can calculate it. So to calculate this power value, how many variables we require? So first, here in this program, we have to input two numbers. One is the base value, another is the exponent. So base value is 5. For example, here just for understanding, I have assigned 5. In the actual program, we will take input from the users. And so two value for input purpose. One is loop. So for looping, we will take one counter variable I, and for power calculations variable is P. So overall we require 4 variables. The value of B and E we will take from user, and in that case here let me first write the for loop. How we can write the for loop? 4 is equal to I is equal to 1, because here we know that the loop we have to execute up to how many times, like a exponent value. Suppose E is 3, then it will calculate 3 times, right? And the 5 value we have to multiply by 3 times. So here just for suppose, and the another important part is P. So P is, here we have initialized 1. Why? Because if we initialize 0, then what happen? If we multiply with 0 with any other values, then it becomes overall 0. That's why 1, if we, because first time when we multiply with the base, then there is no change in the answer. So P is equal to 1. First time we initialize 1, then let we execute one by one. So I is equal to 1 first time, 1 is less than 3. Condition becomes true. So see, initially the status of I is 1, P is also 1. Now I1, P1, then P multiplied by B value is, base value is 5. So 1 multiplied by 5, so it becomes 5. Now the latest value of P is 5. Now again the I increment by 1, so I become 2. Now if I become 2, then 2 is less than 3. Yes, condition becomes true. Now the latest value of P is 5. So 5 multiplied by base value is 5. So it becomes 25. So the latest value of P is 25. Then again when the loop is executed third time, I becomes 3. Now 3 is less than or equal to 3. Again condition becomes true. Then latest value of P is 25. And again multiply by base means 25 multiplied by 5, it's 125. So now overall the P value is 125. Now what happened? When the loop execute 4 times, then I become 4. Now at that time this condition become false, and it will terminate and print the value of P. So the answer is 125. Let's see this, the practicals in the Turbo C, how we can write and execute these programs. So here to write this program, first we'll include two header files, stdio.h and conio.h. Then in main function, here we will declare 4 variables. Here suppose if the power value is more than 32767, so here we have declare all variable as a long integer. Power variable is equal to 1. B and E value we will take from user, and I variable for the counter variable in for loop. So enter value, base value. Here first enter the value of base, and that will store in the percentage ampersand B, it means in a B variable. Then we will ask the user enter the exponent value, that will store in a E. Then as per our discussion, this is the actual logic of this program. A loop will start from 1 up to the value of E, right? So whatever value of exponent up to that times we want to execute this loop. Then I plus plus, then the power value p, first time it's 1 multiply by base value whatever enter, then this will loop, this will calculate the multiplications, and once the multiplication is over, finally it display the output. So here this output is in a formatting manner. The first it display the star line, then and it display the answer like power value is, then percentage d. So first is the base value, suppose base value is 5, then caret sign, because generally we are using a caret sign for the power. So here percentage l, then power, and then the exponent value over here, and finally after that we will is equal to will be display as it is, then percentage ld, it will display the actual answers. So now let me just execute these programs. Suppose base value is 5, exponent 3, then answer is 125. So friends, I hope that even you can run the, again the base value is 2 and the exponent is 5, it gives 32. So I hope friends you understood these programs, and whatever code we have discussed over here, I have given this code link in the description part of this video. Please download these videos and do the practical in your laptop and desktop. So I hope friends you enjoy these videos and understand the concept of the programs. So please friends like this video, share with your friends so they can also take the benefit of this, and for getting the updates of upcoming videos, please subscribe these videos. In next video we'll discuss another important programs that that will display the remainder of given numbers without using modulus operator. So without using modulus operator, how we can calculate the remainder, that we'll discuss in the next program. So in this video description part, I have also given the link of the all theory and practical videos for your reference. So please friends, take the maximum benefit. Thank you all.